In the world of logistics and warehousing, stackers play a crucial role. These machines, a type of forklift, are designed to lift and transport pallets to various heights. Like any other machinery, they are subject to wear and tear, and at times break down. When that happens, it's time for a stacker repair. Before diving into the process, it's important to note that safety should always be the first priority. Always ensure the machine is turned off and the keys are removed before starting any repair. The first step in repairing a stacker is diagnosing the problem. This involves a thorough examination of the machine. Check for any visible signs of damage, such as leaks, frayed wires, or damaged parts. Listen for any unusual noises when the machine is in operation. Now on to the second step, which is gathering the necessary tools and parts for the repair. This typically includes a set of wrenches, a multimeter for electrical tests, replacement parts if necessary, and of course, the stacker's manual. The third step is the repair itself. Start by removing the damaged part. This might require the use of a wrench or other tools. Once the damaged part is removed, install the replacement part, making sure to follow the instructions in the manual. After the repair, the fourth step is testing the machine. Turn on the stacker and operate it to ensure that it's working properly. Pay close attention to the repaired area during this test. The final step is maintenance. Regular maintenance can prevent many common problems and extend the life of the stacker. This includes checking and replacing the hydraulic fluid, inspecting the forks for damage, and lubricating moving parts. To recap, the key steps in repairing a stacker are diagnosing the problem, gathering the necessary tools and parts, performing the repair, testing the machine, and regular maintenance. Remember, safety first. Always turn off the machine and remove the keys before starting a repair. Gather all the necessary tools and parts before beginning. Follow the instructions in the manual during the repair process. After the repair, always test the machine to ensure it's working properly. And finally, regular maintenance can prevent many common problems and extend the life of the stacker. Stacker repairs can seem daunting, but with a bit of knowledge and the right tools, it's a task that can certainly be tackled. So, roll up those sleeves and bring that stacker back to life.